We have 3-course date night dinner for just $14. We have chicken marsala, and we have a simple 20-minute date night steak dinner. Don't swipe or click away, because here are the 7 romantic dinner recipes for date night. Number 7. 20-minute date night steak dinner. Get a New York strip that's about 1 pound and season it with some salt and pepper. Then put some sunflower seed oil in a pan and heat it up to the smoking point. Now add the steak and cook it for about 5 minutes. Flip and then cook the other side for another 5 minutes. Add the butter and baste the steak. Once done, remove from the pan and leave it to rest. In the same pan, add some cherry tomatoes, some garlic cloves, and some fresh basil leaves. Once cooked, plate alongside the steak and top with a balsamic reduction. Number 6. Quick chicken marsala. Take 2 chicken breasts and cut them into 3 pieces, like so. Then season them with some salt and pepper and roll them in flour. Fry them in a skillet with some olive oil, then remove all of the chicken from the pan. In the same pan, add some garlic, some shallots, and 1 pound of mushrooms. Fry until golden. Then add 2 cups of marsala wine and 2 cups of chicken stock. Reduce the sauce until it thickens, and then stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter. Then just return the chicken, spoon over the sauce, sprinkle with some parsley, and enjoy. Number 5. Bacon lasagna. This one is fairly simple. Just make a simple bechamel sauce with butter, flour, and milk. Then layer the lasagna like this. Place a layer of bechamel on the bottom, top with fresh lasagna sheets, add more bechamel, and layer on strips of bacon. Repeat the steps until you've used up all the ingredients. And then smash that like button, just like you should do if you haven't done so already. But no, in all seriousness, then top it with mozzarella and bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave it to cool. Slice up and serve. Number 4. Roasted butter beef. For this recipe, you will take 1 cup of softened butter, add 7 cloves of crushed garlic, and 2 tablespoons of freshly topped rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Mix everything and use it to cover the 5-pound boneless rib roast. Make sure that it's covered on all sides, and then place a wire rack in a pan and put the beef on the wire rack. Bake at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes to get that perfect medium rare. Then turn off the heat and leave it inside for another 2 hours. This will give you plenty of time to prepare the mashed potatoes and the garlic green beans. So then, it's just a matter of plating. Number 3. Buttery lobster tail. For this, you just take 2 lobster tails, cut them lengthwise, and pull the meat over the shell. Make an incision and fan out the outer layer. Now just brush with some melted butter that's been seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, and parsley. It's best served with a side of pan-seared broccoli and lemon wedges. Number 2. Brownie-Strawberry Parfait. Get about 8 ounces of strawberries, cut them into little cubes, and coat them in sugar. Then cut the brownies, homemade or store-bought, into cubes as well. Then mix the cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar until soft and add the whipping cream. Mix until combined. Now just get your favorite glasses, layer the brownies, the strawberries, and the cream, and top with a few strawberries on top. Number 1. The $14 date night dinner. We're not even joking with this one. It's a 3-course dinner for $14. For the appetizer, start by blistering the cherry tomatoes in some olive oil, tossing in the garlic, and cooking it. Then get a slice of sourdough bread, toast it, spread some fresh ricotta on top, and place the tomatoes on top of the cheese. Then sprinkle some parsley leaves, and you're done. Next up, we have the entree. So first, to bone the chicken leg, place some mustard and a slice of cheese and some basil inside it, and then roll it. Sear it on all sides on the stove, and then finish cooking it in the oven for about 15 minutes. While that's cooking, boil some cauliflower and blend in a blender along with a little bit of the hot water and about half a stick of butter. The chimichurri is made from some freshly chopped parsley, 1 finely chopped chili pepper, zest and juice of a lemon, and 6 grated garlic cloves. Just add 1/4 cup of olive oil and then plate it up as you like. As for the dessert, place 1/4 cup of butter and melt it. While the butter is melting, peel, halve, and core 2 Basque pears. In the pan with the butter, sprinkle on some brown sugar and add the pears. Bake for 25 minutes and then serve with some plain yogurt and top with some crushed pecans. Delish! On a related note, What was your favorite date night experience? You can tell us in the comment section below. If you'd like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of them. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.